Whatever the expression with two terms is known as binomial. So here in expression I have x plus a. So x and a are real numbers. By using this binomial expansion we can expand this and we can find the value. So here I will apply these values for index value 3. Hello my dear students, welcome back to my new session. I am Shweta, Computer Science faculty. So in my previous session I have completed combinations. So today I am discussing the new topic called binomial coefficient. This is your last topic in Unit 3, binomial coefficient. What is the meaning of binomial? Bi means two, right? So binomial coefficient. So example, a plus b whole square. Have written one expression, right? So a plus b whole square. In this expression we have two terms, that is first term and second term. So how many terms are there? We have two terms. Whatever the expression with two terms is known as binomial. If the expression consists of two terms means it is binomial. Bi means two. Right? The given expression contains two terms known as binomial. And what is this binomial coefficient? Binomial coefficient is the number of ways picking unordered outcome from possibilities, also known as combination. Combination means is a way of arranging the data in an unordered collection of list. So like that we have binomial coefficient. Binomial coefficient is the number of ways picking unordered outcome from possibilities. From the given elements we are picking the unordered outcome from possibilities, also known as a combination. Clear? So here an expression contains two terms are known as binomial. Binomial coefficient is the number of ways picking a unordered outcome from possibilities. And what is this binomial expansion? So we have a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So what is a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So again you can simplify this, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if you get power 2, so you will get 3 terms. Keep in mind, if your power value is 2, then you will get 3 terms, right? If your power value is 3, you will get 4 terms. If your power value is 7, you will get 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 terms. In binomial expression or binomial coefficient, in the expansion of binomial, so if you get power value is 7 or 6 or anything, in binomial expression the power value is 3, you will get 3 plus 1 times. So in 3 plus 1 terms, example, if your power value is a plus b power n, so you will get n plus 1 terms. Clear? And here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have 3 terms. Here we have 4 terms. Clear? So if your power value is n, you will get n plus 1 terms. Now see the expression a plus b power square. Power value is 2. So easily you can apply a plus b whole square formula. So you will get this expression, right? If your power value is 3, you can apply a plus b whole cube formula. And your expression is 2x plus 3y. Power value is 2. So you can apply this a plus b whole square formula, right? You can simplify this easily. And if you get 5x plus 2y power 3, you can apply this a plus b whole cube formula, right? And suppose if you get 6x plus y whole power 5. if you are applying a plus b whole square formula, a plus b whole cube formula to this expression, it will be very difficult because power value is 5, right? So for that, we are using this binomial expansion. Clear? By the help of binomial expression, we can simplify this 6x plus y power 5 or 6x plus 3y power 12. You can simplify this power value, right? So easily you can simplify any power value using binomial expansion. And you can also simplify this 7x plus 3y power 1 by 2. Clear? This power also you can simplify using this binomial coefficient concept. If your power value is more than 2 or more than 3, so easily you can apply this binomial coefficient concept. So what is a binomial expansion formula? So example, x plus a power n. Here I have one expression x plus a power n. So now I will use combination NC0. So I am using combination NCR formula. So what is NCR? NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. But now I am using NC0 into x power. What is the difference of this n and 0? N minus 0 into a value. A value means its x value, that is a power 0. So now you can expand this NC0. 0 increment is NC1. And what is the difference? X power n minus 1. And 0, 1 increment means it is a power 1. And NC2. And what is the difference? N minus 2 into a power 1 increment is 2. Plus dash 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 up to NCN and x power n minus n into a power n. So this is the formula for binomial expansion. Here we have x plus a whole power n. If your power value is n, you will get n plus 1 terms. And I will expand this by using combination formula NC0. So I am applying combination formula NCR. So in place of R, I will start from initial value 0. NC0 into x value power n minus 0. So difference of this NC0 is n minus 0 into a value. A value is 0. I will start from initial value plus 0 is incremented by 1. So NC1 and 0 changes to 1 and 0 changes to 1. So in next term, 1 changes to 2. So one increment in every term. So NC1 changes to NC2 and x power n minus 2, difference of this, and a power 1 changes to a power 2. So like that, NC3 x power n minus 3 into a power 3 plus dash dash up to NCN x power n minus 1 into a power n. So this is the expansion of binomial coefficient. Please remember this concept. Please remember the formula. You have to apply while doing the problems. If you get the power value is more than 2 or 3, or if you get fractional part, or if you get the root values, so easily you can simplify by using this binomial coefficient or binomial expansion. So the formula, binomial theorem for positive integer power. So power value is n. N means positive integer. If n is a positive integer, then what is the formula? X plus a power n is equal to NC0 x power n into a power 0. A power 0 means power, if your power value is 0 means it is always equal to 1. So 1 means directly you can write it is a power 0. And a power 0 changes to a power 1. A power 1 changes to a power 2, a power 2 to a power r up to a power n. And x power n, x power n minus 1, x power n minus 2, x power n minus r up to x power n minus n. N minus n means it is 0. So x power 0 means it is 1. So this is the formula for binomial expansion where x and a are real numbers. So here in expression I have x plus a. So x and a are real numbers. So here we have combination formula NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 etc. up to NCN. Every time we can't apply this combination formula. Example, if your NC0 value is 7C5, assume that if your NC0 value is 7C5, you have to find the value of 7C5. You have to apply the formula called n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. In next term, you will get 7C6 and 7C7. Every time you can't apply this formula. So for that we are using Pascal's theorem. Pascal's theorem. By using this Pascal's theorem, easily we can find the combination like 7C5. If you get 12C11, so easily you can find by using Pascal's theorem. If you get 4C3, you can apply this Pascal's theorem. So how to write this Pascal theorem? It is very interesting and very simple logic. I'll explain. So example, if your index value is 4. Example, 2 plus y power 4. So how to find the Pascal theorems for this power value 4? 2 plus y raised to 4. So how to find the Pascal theorem to this power 4? So here index value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now if your index value is 0, then it's 1. Clear? And again I am using Pascal's theorem. So if your index value is 0, coefficient value is 1. Clear? I starts from 1 and 1, 1, 1. I will start from 1, 1, 1. If your index value is 0, it is 1. And index value is 1, it is 1, 1, that is 2. And I am using Pascal's theorem. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, same 1, I will write the coefficient part. So I will repeat. I will start from 1, 1, 1. And I am applying Pascal's theorem. 1 plus 1 is 2. So again, as it is, I will write 1. And here also I will write 1. And now 2 plus 1 is 3. Pascal's theorem. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So as it is 1, I am writing here and 1. Clear? And again I will apply 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So as it is, I will write 1 and here 1. So again, I will apply Pascal's theorem for index value is 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Again, as it is, I will write 1. So like that, you can find the value of 4C3, 12C1, 12C7, 12C8 and 18C3. For every time, no need to apply this NCR formula. So by using Pascal's theorem, easily you can find the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If your power value is 4, so till here you can use the values. So 4 means, if your power value is 4 means, so it is 4C0. 4C0 means it is 1. You can find out. And in next step you will get 4C1. So 4C1 value is 4. And 4C2 value is 6. 4C3 is 4 and 4C4 is 1. Like that you can find the value of combinations by using Pascal's theorem. Now this is the binomial expansion formula. Please remember this formula, it is very important. By using this formula, easily we can simplify binomial expansion. And next one, binomial expansion. The number of terms in expansion is n plus 1 term. So already I have told you, if your power value is n, so the terms is n plus 1 terms. And the second point, the coefficients are NC1, NC2, NC3 up to NCN. And the third step, the general term in the expansion is NCR. If it is NCR means the power value is difference is n minus r, x power n minus r into a power r. That is TR plus 1. TR plus 1 means the next term. TR plus 1 means if your R value is 1, so TR plus 1 means 1 plus 1. Clear? So NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. So by using this formula, expansion formula, easily we can simplify the binomial expansion. Let's understand with an example problem. It is 7 marks question. Definitely there will be a problem on this concept, binomial expansion. So here we have one expression. You have to expand this expression by using binomial coefficient concept. So here just observe this. We have y plus 5. So what is the formula? X plus a power n. So this is the binomial expansion. By using this binomial expansion, we can expand this and we can find the value. In place of x, I have y. So x is equal to what? Y. And in place of a, I have 5. So a is equal to 5. And in place of n, I have 4. So first write the given values. X is equal to y, a is equal to 5, n is equal to 4. So whatever the value, the given value, you just write it x, a and n values. So easily you can substitute the value here. So now y plus 5 whole power 4 is equal to, so what is the value of n? It is 4. C is common, that is combination, and R value starts from 0. So 4C is 0 into x value means it is y. Y power, the difference is 4 minus 0. So here I have n minus 0, but the n value is 4. So that is 4 minus 0. And next is a power 0. If you want to write the power value 0 means it is 1. A power 0 means 1. If you want to write, you can. Otherwise, you can skip because you will get 1. What is the value of a? A is equal to 5. 5 power 0 means 1. If you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, you can skip. And the next term, 4C0 changes to 4C1. And y power n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 into a means 5. 5 power 1. And the next term, 4C2, y power 4 minus 2 into a power 2, 5 power 2. And 4C3 into y power 4 minus 3 into 5 power 3 plus up to NCN. So NCN means the value of n and the value of r should be same. Till that you have to expand the equation. So 4C4. The value of n also same. The value of r also same. So till here you have to expand. So 4C4 into 4 power 4 minus 4 into 5 power 4. So now have expand the equation. You can observe this. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if your power value is 4, you will get 5 terms. So 4C0. So now I will apply the Pascal's theorem. Pascal's theorem states that index value is 0 and the coefficient is 1. And I will start from 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now index value is 1. So 1 plus 1, I will add Pascal's theorem. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this one I will write here, this one I will write here. So now the index value is 2. 2 plus 1, I will apply. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So as it is, I will write this 1 here. And the index value is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. As it is, I'll write 1 here. So, index value is 4 means 14641 is a combination. 14641. So, where you have to write this 14641? So, where you have to write this, in place of 4C0, you can write this 1. And in place of 4C1, you can write this 4. In place of 4C2, you can write this 6. And in place of 4C3, you can write this 4. And in place of 4C4, you can write it as 1. Clear? If you want, you can use n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial formula also. But it is very difficult. So, every time you have to find out 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, etc. So, because of that, by using this Pascal theorem, easily you can find out the values of 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, etc. So, now I will apply this directly. So, 4C0 means it is 1 into y power 4 minus 0. Y power 4 minus 0 means it is y power 4 into 5 power 0 means it is 1. If you want, you can write, otherwise you can skip. So, 4C1 is 4. So, 4 minus 1. So, 4 minus 1 means it is 3. 5 power 1 is 5. And y power 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 square means 25. And y power 1 into 5 cube, it is 125. And y power 4 minus 4. So, 4 minus 4 means it is y power 0. Y power 0 is equal to 1. So, 5 power 4 means it is 625. You can use calculator, normal calculator. Please don't use scientific calculator. 5 power 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, you will get 625. So, now you can simplify this expression. 1 into y power 4 into 1 means it is y power 4 plus 4 into y cube into 5. 4 5s are 20 y power 3 and 25 into 6. Find out 25 into 6 and write the value. It is 150 into y square plus 125 into 4 is 500 into y power 1 means y, 500y plus 625. So, this is your final expression. Your n value is 4. So, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. So, this is the final expansion. Very simple concept. Please use this concept called binomial expansion. So, this is an expansion formula. Use this expansion formula and Pascal's theorems. Easily you can score 7 marks in binomial coefficient. Clear? So, it is very simple concept. Please practice the problem so easily you can understand the logic. And the next problem is second one, 2 plus 3x power 3. So, here n value is equal to 3 and x value is equal to 2 and a value is equal to 3x. Here we have 3 and x. This is one term and this is one term. We have two terms and power value is 3. If it is two terms means what? It is binomial. Power value is 3. So, you will get 4 terms. So, totally you will get 4 terms. If your power value is 3, you will get 4 terms. So, now I will apply the formula binomial expansion. In place of n, I have 3. So, it is 3C0. And in place of x, I have 2. 2 power n value is 3 minus 0s. So, the difference is 3 minus 0. So, 2 power 3 minus 0 into a power 0. A power 0 means 3x power 0. 3x power 0 means it is 1. If you want, you can write 3x power 0. And in next term, 3C1 into 2 power 3 minus 1. And the next term, 3C0 changes to 3C1 into 2 power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 into A means it is 3x, 3x power 1 plus NC2. This is 3C2 into x power n minus 2. Here 2 power 3 minus 2 into 3x power 1. This is A value 3x power 2 plus 3C3 up to NCN. You have to expand the expression 3C3 power 2 power 3 minus 3 into 3x power 3. So here understand this. This is 3x whole power 2, 3x whole power 3 and 2 power 3 minus 3, 2 whole power 3 minus 2 and 3x whole power 1 and 3x whole power 0. Please use brackets. And now I'll use Pascal's theorem for finding 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. So how to apply Pascal's theorem? Index is 0, coefficient is 1. Index is 1, coefficient is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And index is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. As it is, I'll write 1 and 1 here. Again, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. As it is, 1 and 1. This is for coefficient 3. So here I will apply these values for index value 3. 1, 3, 3, 1. So in place of 3C0, you can put 1. And in place of 3C1, it is 3. 3C2, 3. 3C3, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1. Now you can simplify this. 2 power 3 minus 0 is 3. And 2 power 3 minus 1 is 2 power 2 into 3x power 1 is 3x. And 2 power 3 minus 2 is 1. 3x power 2. 3x whole power 2, that is 3 into 3 is 9. X into x is x square. So 9x square. And next is 2 power 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 2 power 0 means it is 1. 3x power 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. 27x cube. Now I will write the final expression. 2 power 3 is 8 plus 3 into 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 4. 4 3s are 12 into 3x plus 3 into 2 power 1 is 2 into 9x square plus 1 into 1 is 1. It is 27x cube. Multiply this. 8, 36x plus, and next term is 9 3s are 27. 27 into 2 is 54x square plus 27x cube. So this is your final expression. Is there any mistake in calculation? Please find out this. 8 plus 12 into 3, 36. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 9, 54 and 27 x cube. So this is the final expression. So here I have used Pascal's theorem and binomial expansion. Please practice the problems. It is very simple concept. Easily you can score 7 marks in binomial coefficient. So today you learned the problems on binomial coefficient. In my next session, I will discuss the root problems in binomial coefficient. Thank you.